Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is all about FIRMOO glasses. This is where you have to go to get those great quality glasses without breaking the bank. I am going to go ahead and put all the styles of the glasses that I got from them. Guys, their glasses are great quality. You could style them differently, and they have varieties of different frames, and you do not have to pay extra for them. Aside from having prescription glasses, they also have blue light glasses as well as sunglasses. The crazy thing too is that you can also put your prescriptions on the sunglasses as well. This style is up here is S55712. Guys, very affordable. Just say goodbye to ugly expensive prescription glasses. I would tell you guys to just go to your eye doctor, get your prescription, go to FIRMOO.com, and then get you the stylish glasses that you want. They also offer warranty, and they have 24 hours customer service. If you are interested in getting any of these glasses, I have good news for you. They currently have a Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale going on. I am going to put my code for you guys to use, so go ahead and check my description box for the necessary code that you need to get your prescription sunglasses or just regular glasses. Just something for everyone to know. As you guys can see, as I'm taking off the glasses from this pouch, the pouch is also the cleaning cloth. So when you're going out and you don't want to carry the sturdy case with you, you could just carry the pouch, and the pouch is also the cleaning cloth. So that's something I found really unique about their glasses. This style is one of my favorite. It's the S986. It's so beautiful. It's even more beautiful in person, and there are different ways that you could style these glasses, guys. I'm just showing you different ways. You could wear it to the gym, you could wear it to work, you could wear it to church, you could wear it to school. Anyhow you want to wear it, these glasses are so beautiful. So go ahead and take advantage of the sales going on. This is a perfect holiday gift. So if you have that cousin, that nephew, whoever it is, go ahead and get them one of these glasses.